let me introduce myself. My name is Kayla Ramadina. You can call me Kayla. My date of birthday is 4 December to 227. I am the first of two children where I live in Kebonpala. From my previous school SMP 26 Jakarta, my dream is to because I doctor, and my hobby is dancing. The reason I enter with SMA 54 is because the school is very good and affordable. This is for my host.